Hello, so this video is just going to show you how to make a nut and a washer so we can add this into our fixture component for our CNC fixturing setup. So, let's start our sketch on the top face, because obviously we want it all to be lined up nicely on that configuration. Let's use our top section here. We're going to use our datum as our center point. So, looking at standard hex nut on a metric scale, basically we're going to look at style 1, which is where essentially there's two styles. It just depends on the thickness. So style 2 is slightly more thicker than the style 1. M12 times 1.75, we have across the flats thickness of maximum of 18, minimum of 17.73. Across the corners slightly bigger, 20.78, and a thickness then of 10.8. So we're going to go 18 by 10.8. So what we're going to do, come into the create, come down to polygon. You've got subscribe, so basically creates a polygon using center to one point of the edge, or you've got a inscribe, which is where it creates the polygon inside. So we use circumcised. We're going to put our dimension in, so obviously it's 18, so we need 9 as a radius. Let's just measure across the flats. We obviously know it's 18. Come into the solid, and we want 10.8 profile thickness. Like so. So there's our nut. And obviously on the top now we can create a hole. We can come in and use our center point. Match on so obviously it's threaded. Size 12mm. And 75 through all, and then we have our nut profile. So I can save this in my fixtures and get M12 nuts style 1 10.8 like so. Now the washer, I'm going to use a simple sort of flat washer. Or penny washer, sometimes they are called, and basically the through hole here will be a clearance, so it'll be about 13mm. Outside diameter would be something like 20 to 25mm, and thickness is anywhere between 2 and 4, depending on what style of washer you've got. So just run off of Engineer's Edge, the database, 13mm clearance, 24 outside diameter, 2.5mm thick. So again, same as last time on the top profile. We're doing 24mm thick, 24mm diameter, sorry. Extrude, 2.5mm thick. And we're going to put a hole in, which can be our clearance. So use the clearance function on the center. So we have a clearance. So that one there, clearance, distance, through all. Export M12, which is okay, and there's our penny washer as well. So we can now save this one. 12 washer 2.5 thick, like so. So that's just how to quickly do a nut and a washer just using standard ISO profiling. So next video will be on how to make a angled clamp, so stay tuned for that one.